Hey everybody, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is my friend's 2001 Ford Taurus, and today we'll be replacing the headlight bulbs. Here are the tools that I used for this job. 8mm socket, socket extension, just because, a socket wrench, of course, and a flathead screwdriver. The first thing to do is remove this 8mm bolt and pry out the two bars from behind the headlight. With that taken care of, the headlight should slide out far enough for us to unclip the outer wiring connection. Next, unscrew the back of the headlight housing and unclip the inner wiring connection. This was a little bit difficult to do by hand, so I carefully used a screwdriver to lift the plastic clips. Now you should be able to see the lock ring holding the bulb in place. Unscrew the lock ring and remove it. The bulb can now be pulled from the headlight housing. We'll be replacing the factory bulbs with these Silver Star bulbs that should be at least a little bit brighter than the old ones. We picked them up at Walmart for about $38. Looking at both bulbs side by side, we can see that the new bulb was manufactured in May of this year, while the old one was made in October of 2001. That means the old bulb is 18 years old this month. Not bad. Making sure not to touch the glass with your fingers, carefully insert the new bulb into the headlight housing. Make sure it is fully seated. Reinstall the lock ring. Then connect the inner wiring clip and screw the back of the headlight housing back on. Don't forget to reconnect the outer wiring connection before sliding the headlight back into place. To reinstall the headlight, slide the outer corner into the fender first, then push the inner corner into place. The bars you removed should slide back into place without much force. Remember, the tab on top of the bars should point toward the rear of the car. Reinstall the 8mm bolt and you're done. Instructions are the same for both headlights. That concludes this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and have a great day!